But then something amazing happened. Bhamana became very big. He grew so tall that he reached the sky. With his first step, he covered the earth. With his second step, he covered the sky and ocean. There was no room for his third step. What did you do? What did you do? Question mark. Amu asked. Her eyes wide. I knew he was Lord Vishnu. I bowed and asked him to put his third step on my head. Then he sent me to the netherworld, but he let me visit my people every year during Onam.